Oh, hey there, it's 12:43 p.m. That makes sense, because it's in the p.m., not the a.m. I just delighted in some peanut butter waffles for breakfast, and they were delicious. If you've never had peanut butter waffles, well, you're just basically missing out on the delectables of life. They're pretty delicious. Oh, we set up our tree. And it fell over. Like, it tilted this way a few times yesterday. Stupid. It was dumb. Look at all our Hallmark things. We collect them. What is that special? Oh, it's me. I graduated. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Did he say that? He did? What else did he say? For real? He's a jerk. Oh, yeah. I agree. Man. He's so mean. You should tell him what's up. To his face. Oh, yeah. Is that what you're gonna do to him? Oh, my God. That is violent. That is violence. Man. Alright. You behave yourself. Don't you... I wouldn't get... You can get sued for doing that to him. You could get sued. You're terrible. Okay, so in last night's blog, I couldn't tell you guys what I got my mama for her birthday. So now, I can finally show you! Hooray! That was tissue paper in the camera's face. So I got her this. It's a Starbucks glass coffee mug that says... You can't really read it on camera, but it says, wish for snow, for peace on earth, for flying reindeer. Pretty nice. And now to transfer it from one bag into the next. Oh, it's caught. And for making candle, I got her a tea light holder that says, let it snow. That's pretty clever. Which one looks more appealing? I'd pick that one though, Johnny. That one looks dumb. I'd pick that one. Wow. I don't know, but whatever. It comes from the heart, not the wrapping. Jeez. So, I got a daily booth last night. And, yeah. I guess I enjoy it. I really do. And I figured it out, and I did this little whole just photo chatting thing last night, back and forth with Dave Days on one of his comment things for a while, and I had fun. It was pretty sweet, so Dave Days, you don't watch the videos. If you do, sweet, good deal, but I had fun. It was pretty sweet. He approved of my puppet. He approved of my puppet. He did. He was like, dude, that's awesome. Score with the whole puppet thing. So you know what, guys? Don't hate on a freaking puppet. Dave Days likes it, so shut your mouth. That was overly aggressive. I'm so sorry. There is no crying in blogging. Watch me leave for classes and things of that nature today. It's quite chilly. It's quite chilly today. Just watch that video back and real quick, and I noticed I do that weird accent thing. I do that. You notice that? That's so weird. It is just so weird. I don't know why I do that. I gotta back up real quick. But anyway, I'll see you guys after class. I think ever since I started going to school here, they've been working on constructions on that one building. That one building. I wonder if they'll ever finish it. So I just saw, and I don't know if you can really see me, but they have little space heater things, you know, those little heaters that they hang from the ceiling at my school outside for smokers. I don't know if I'm like happy for them or disappointed. I mean, look guys, let's go be warm outside so we can smoke. I mean, I guess I approve. I don't care that you smoke, but I don't know. I hate smokers. Whatever, do your thing. But you know, it's cool. As long as you're not near me when you do it, that's fine. Do your thing. Whatever. That's my little vent for the evening. Yay! Want to see something obnoxious? Yeah, the one reason I couldn't blog after that one moment there with the mirror thing, because the dude had his brights on while we were sitting at the stoplight. Friggin' truck jerks. Back around 5:20, 3 o'clock. Okay. So I'm gonna go put my backpack... Friggin' jerk. I used to put my backpack there every day when I come back from school. Before we got her. And now I can't, so I have to lug the freaking backpack all the way over here into the laundry room, and I knocked that over into the sink. See, this is what happens now. I have to kick this over here to the corner. It's not like valuables or anything in there. It's just textbooks that are worth $300 and half my tuition. But, you know, it's all because of you. It's all because of you. Isn't that right? Isn't that right? Oh, that's it. Lick your butt. There we go. There we go. Oh, you're just so happy, aren't you? Oh, yeah. Someone said your name. Every year, quite literally 5 seconds before a birthday or a celebration or any types, I make a card. And so this year, I made the birthday card for Mom. And here's what it looks like. It says happy birthday. And down here we got me and Dad blogging. I don't know, you can't really read it, but it says, I'll get the low shot. And it says, stand still, she won't notice. Of course, me and Dad always blog at the same time. And of course, in the very front, it's Mom sitting at the table, and it says, does everything have to go on YouTube? And it's me and Dad hanging in shame, saying, busted. Pretty clever, right?
Crunchy.
Let's break the wishbone that we haven't broken yet.
Ready? You have to wish first. Close your eyes and wish.
A week later.
Ready, go. Yeah! I always get it, don't I?
Wait, did you win?
Yeah. I always win.
Barely. Yeah,
Ju-
she does.
I always win.
Did you really?
Wait, split?
No,
Or is it
look.
split in half?
No, mine's bigger.
Yeah, it kind of split right up the middle. It didn't snap right.
Oh, that's... Oh, my
Mine's still
gosh.
Yeah.
Isn't that cute?
I don't
You
know.
put little tea lights in there? I love it.
That is nice.
Saw it at Yankee Candle. Oh, I forgot about this. Thank you. I saw this at Starbucks and I said, this would make a good birthday present. Oh, I didn't see this.
Oh, look at this illuminating.
Cute. Oh, I like that. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's the Hallmark one this year?
Yeah.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
Snoopy.
Snoopy. Oh, this is the robe that I tried on.
Wait, now, look. I got there, and they didn't have small, medium, large. They had 1X, 2X, and 3X. So we got you a 1X.
Do you know what 1X is?
No?
That's the next step up after extra large.
We'll take it back. We'll take it back.
What a cake.
We can eat it later. I'll have cake this theater.
Cue lights.
So tiny. Ready?
You saying her butt is big?
No, my butt's
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday to you.
Are you saying my butt's big?
Oh, thank you for the present. It's very nice of you. Let me just... Oh, you used too much tape! I can't open it! Deep frustration. Yes! Yes, I'm taking another piece of cake! It's my birthday! What are you trying to say? I'm fat? Overreaction. If you would like to learn more about age rage, go look it up at the stupid library! Stop bothering me! Happy birthday. What's happy about it?
Congratulations! You won the end of the blog. This is Carry Out John. Peace and out. Hiya!